Klongsan Plaza, food and shopping. So this is Iconsiam, Chonan Rat Road, and Chonan Nakhon Road, and some commercial street. And this right here is just see what it is. I've never been here before, of course. It's like food and shopping. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So Dunkin' Donuts there. Got some Christmas gear in the background there. Ochaya, Dunkin' Donuts. This one's all sushi. That smells good. Oh, this one smells really good. Oh, it smells really good. So, okay. Oh, those drinks are cheap, 25. I'm used to other parts of the city where it's like 80 or 100. More sushi. Japanese is really popular here. I used to live in Japan, so I might just be visually attracted to it. For all I know, there's some other cuisine that's everywhere that I just have no idea. And this one looks pretty cool. Okay. It's pretty cool. Okay. So we're gonna keep on walking. Fresh fruit, more fruit, corn. I think this is going to be mostly clothing on the street. But we'll walk it down to it too. I want to see what's at the end anyways, so some Christmas hats. Because I think at the end it goes towards some water, so we'll just see where it goes to. Things are cheaper though. These shirts are 100. Other places they'll try to charge 250. Maybe the rent is lower too, maybe. I kind of think this goes into nothing but a wall. But if I can take a right, I will. Actually, I might just only go straight. There's a place that goes to the right here. Nope. So, let's see. Nail salon. I think I just might come to an ending there. Video games. Let's see. Oh, I'm just gonna walk. Let's see if that leads to anything. I think it goes to nothing. So maybe we'll just walk back out again. Might just be the warehouse, so maybe we'll end it right there.